In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assets to QuickBooks Online. Managing your assets effectively is a critical part of keeping your business finances organized, and QuickBooks Online makes it easier than ever. Whether you're tracking fixed assets like equipment or other assets such as investments, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create an account and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not sure how to access your account, simply head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Next, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the settings and customization options within QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. From the settings menu, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts and select it. The Chart of Accounts is where you can view and manage all the accounts your business uses to track its finances, including assets. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look for the New Account button. You'll find it located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to start the process of adding a new asset to your account. Now, it's time to enter some details about the asset you want to add. First, give your asset a specific and clear name in the provided field. For example, if you're adding a company vehicle, you might name it Company Car Ford Explorer. After naming your asset, you need to select the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks Online provides several account types to choose from, so pick the one that best fits your asset. For most physical items like equipment or vehicles, you'll likely choose Fixed Asset. For other types of assets, like investments or patents, you might select Other Asset. Next, you'll choose a detail type that matches your asset. The detail type further categorizes the asset within the account type you selected. For example, if you chose Fixed Asset, the detail type might be office equipment or vehicles. Select the option that best describes the asset you're adding. Finally, once all the required information is entered, review it to make sure everything looks accurate. Then, click the Save button to finalize the process. This will add your asset to QuickBooks Online, and it will now appear in your chart of accounts. And that's it. You've just successfully added an asset to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.